Hey everybody, it's Ken from Flavor Lab TV. I got a delicious one for you today. It's Cheddar Rosemary Buttermilk Biscuits. They are delicious. You know, the weather's getting a little bit colder outside. Anytime you just want to put a nice addendum on your meal and have a nice buttery biscuit after it, this is the ticket. They are absolutely delicious. For the ingredients, we've got some buttermilk. We've got some chopped fresh rosemary, about a tablespoon. I think we're going to need, 3/4 cup of this. Going to need a stick of salted butter. We have a half a cup of pastry flour. We have a whole cup of all-purpose flour. We have I think that's a kosher salt. That's a teaspoon. We have baking powder. And of course, for our cheddar, we have a cup of freshly shredded cheddar. Let's put this stuff together, okay? Be back soon. And a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of pastry flour, and I think I said a teaspoon before. This is half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and the baking powder. All together, that's all your dry ingredients. And once all your dry ingredients are in, you're just going to pulse that a few times, just to kind of mix it. Okay. And after your dry ingredients are all pulsed together, you're going to put your not so dry ingredients in, and that's the butter. That's the tablespoon of fresh chopped rosemary and your cheddar. We're going to pulse this as well. And then next, we're going to drizzle 3/4 cup of fresh buttermilk into this dough here. And, it may take a little bit more. Use your own judgment. But here we go. One thing you want to be careful of is not to overmix, because that dough will become too sticky, so to speak. So just inspect, don't overmix your dough. The biscuits will be tough. That's looking pretty good. We're just going to do it just for a little more, just to make sure all of our ingredients are fully incorporated. And then we're going to get this in our preheated 400-degree oven. Okay, once your dough is ready, just go ahead. This should make about 8 biscuits. Just go ahead and drop them onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet. If you don't have parchment paper, no biggie. Just, grease the pan. Back soon. Okay, they're all on the cookie sheet, parchment-lined. Again, if you don't have parchment, butter would be fine, or grease. Cookie sheet into the oven, 400 degrees, 18 to 20 minutes. We'll see you then. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. We're about ready to take these biscuits out of the oven. Oh, I wish you could smell. Oh, woo! Look at those guys. 2 tablespoons melted butter right on these yummy biscuits. Just, oh my goodness. You see the cheddar in there and the rosemary pieces. And these biscuits are just soaking this butter up. Can I eat one now? Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Be back in a minute when they're not so hot. Okay, still a little bit warm, but that's the best way to eat them. Incredible. Really, really good. Try it. Please like and subscribe. Ken from Flavor Labs, I'm out.